Hey, AJ Simon here, and welcome aboard. Welcome to the Traffic on Demand course. You're going to be really happy with this purchase. You're going to love the fact that you'll be able to leverage unlimited traffic to promote anything that you want to promote. Trust me, it's pretty darn cool. It's allowed me to basically live the life that I want to live and basically work on the terms that I want to work on, and then spend most of my time filming or going to the gym or doing things like that. But one thing I want to point out is you need to start learning how to write effective emails so that you can actually predict how much money you're going to make on a day-to-day basis, because if you don't, then you're just going to be kind of like shooting in the dark, or just throwing mud at a wall kind of thing. And you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you're actually predicting the money that you're going to make, and you can do that with effective emails and effective follow-up. All you have to do is have an effective follow-up system that actually closes more sales for you, and then selectively picks the audience that you want to market to, and then have the right offers in place that will actually convert. Because if you're pitching an offer that people don't like, they're not going to buy it. And then if you're sending traffic, say you send 1,000 clicks to an offer and you only get one sale, that's bad. You need to be getting like 20 or 30 or 40 sales from 1,000 clicks to that offer. But the key is, once you start list building and doing what Mark and I are going to show you, you'll be able to predict how much traffic you can send per day. So it'll start out, you can send like 50 clicks per day, so you can get like 50 visitors to a website per day, and then eventually 100, and then eventually 200, even 1,000 clicks in a day. But you need to know, how do I communicate with these people? How do I make more money? How do I sell more products to these people? And how do I do it effectively and then not have it be like a one hit or kind of deal? You want to be able to do it predictably. So on this page, our offer to you is our best converting emails, our follow-ups that have made us thousands of dollars, and pretty much everything that's worked well for us, including the offers that we've promoted, and anything that you can use to help get to that 200 to 300 per day mark. And a lot of people are like, oh, that's 200, 300 bucks. That's unbelievable. Well, no, it's not. Go on ClickBank. Just look. You can see how much money you'd make per sale. If you make 50 bucks per sale, then you only need 4 sales to make 200 bucks, right? If you can, okay, and here's another thing. If you can send 100 to 200 clicks a day, you're most likely going to get those 4 sales. You had 100 people go to that sales page. You can predict how many of those people are going to buy, especially if you learn how to communicate with them and you have the right emails, which Mark and I have, and we've written them for you. All you have to do is get them and then plug them into the autoresponder to your email service. We'll show you how to do that. We can show you how to upload and edit and make tweaks to personalize it to whatever offer you want to promote. And yeah, when you have that kind of control, then you can literally predict how much money you're going to make on a day-to-day basis. Like, my day looks like this. I wake up 6 a.m. I schedule my emails for the day. I like to space them out 6 hours apart. So I'll do like a 6 a.m., I'll do a 12 noon, a 6 p.m., and a midnight, and then I'll start over. And then so I have those scheduled every single day as broadcast messages, and then I have my follow-ups in place that go out every single day also to promote additional offers to my list and give them things and tips and tricks and trainings to get them to spend more money. Because the key is, you want to make at least $1 per subscriber that's on your list. And if you're not doing that, then you're kind of in a failing business, and you don't want that. So Mark and I put this together for you. All you have to do is get it. Once you get it, you can upload all the emails, you can get all the follow-ups, you can even get access to some of the products and stuff that we promoted, and that's it. I hope you have an awesome day, and I look forward to giving you more results.